Is data analytics dead? Will artificial intelligence take away the jobs of data scientists? Will programming languages such as Java, Python, R programming hold any value in the future? Guys, if you're looking for answers to such questions, congratulations, you've clicked on the right video. Guys, wherever you go, whomsoever you talk to, whatever you watch, everybody is just talking about data analytics. As of 2023, India's data analytics market is valued at over $2 billion, which is growing at a CAGR of 26% and is expected to reach $16 billion by 2025. India is one of the largest producers of data globally, and this explosive growth has happened because of 700 million internet users. With the digitalization, the demand for skilled data analysts is skyrocketing. Companies across sectors, whether it's finance or healthcare, entertainment or e-commerce, everybody is investing in data analytics to gain a competitive edge in the future. So to answer your question, no, data analytics is not dead. Let's look at some more numbers, right? According to a recent report by NASSCOM, the Indian analytics industry is set to create over 1 lakh new jobs in the next couple of years. The average salary of a data analyst, even though coming from a non-tech background, is ranging somewhere from 4 lakhs to 10 lakhs. And depending on the specialization that you have, whether it's in big data, machine learning, artificial intelligence, this can even go up to 20 lakhs. Let's not even talk about the salary that the people who are graduating from good BTech colleges are getting in the field of data analytics, because it can be anything onwards of 20 lakhs and can even go up to 50 to 60 lakhs. Definitely seeing this crazy gap and this crazy demand, all the IITs and the top institutes of the country have started to launch their programs towards data analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning and whatnot. Along with that, Indian Statistical Institute in Kolkata and in Bangalore is offering statistical and analytic programs. And yes, management institutes such as FMS and ISB also have full-fledged programs in data analytics. Along with that, all the UG programs are not staying behind. They're also catching on this train of demand and this gap, and are offering various BBA, BCom courses in analytics, decision science, data analytics and whatnot, because they believe that the earlier you learn these inherent skills of data analytics and artificial intelligence, it can be really beneficial for you. Now, seeing this crazy demand of data analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, one doubt that might be there in your mind hovering right now, or I know some of you have even reached out to me personally and asked me the same, hey Kavach, will learning programming languages like Java, Python, C++ hold any value in the future? Because the way artificial intelligence is growing, tomorrow 3 years, 4 years of our hard work can be replaced just by a click of a button. And yes guys, that is absolutely true. In fact, I was reading it somewhere, I don't remember where, but it said that prompt engineering is not a career option because it is just literally like a bug which will be fixed in a year or so. Definitely the way AI is growing, all these programming languages like R programming, Python, Java, C++ will literally be solved with the click of a button, because the way artificial intelligence is progressing, they don't want the arbitrage of tech knowledge should be a hindrance for somebody who wants to go and build something really big and solve a crazy human problem or a consumer problem. So just because I don't know how to code and just because I cannot make a website, that doesn't mean I cannot become an entrepreneur and start something of my own. Likewise, that doesn't mean I cannot make an application which will really help the consumers that I think it can really help. So definitely, I strongly believe that R programming, C++, Java, all of that can be replaced by AI in the very near future, not even like 5 years, 10 years down the line. But in case you have enrolled or you are enrolling for a program that is like a bachelor's in computer application or a BTech program or some program that is specializing in data analytics and something where they're teaching you these programming skills like R programming, Java, Python, Power BI, don't worry guys, none of your education and hard work would go waste, because maybe these programming languages might change. R programming might become K programming, SQL might become PQL, all of that can happen. But the inherent skills that you would learn during the course of these 3 years, 4 years will always remain relevant. What are these key skills? This is problem solving, critical thinking, quantitative analysis. All of this is what you will learn in a normal C++, Java, Python class, and they will remain common across. Even though tomorrow you might be working with LLMs or machine learnings or big data, these inherent skills will always be there. So don't worry, none of your education would go waste. Now coming to the last segment of the video, guys, every day I come across some parents and students, and I literally see parents forcing the students to take up options in data analytics, artificial intelligence, all of that, just because they are also getting carried away by these numbers. Yes, everything that I told you in this video is absolutely correct. 1 lakh jobs are to be made in the future. The industry is growing really well at a CAGR of 26% and is expected to reach $16 billion by 2025. All these stats are true, but do not get carried away by this and forced to do something which you're not inclined towards doing and naturally not interested in doing. Guys, all this industry and this field requires a lot of hard work, and I don't want you all to fall in this trap and just because there's a very high package or demand is very high or industries from finance or entertainment hiring students, you need to go do it. No, please don't. Trust me, there are way other career options for you all that you all can choose in case if you're not interested in data analytics, artificial intelligence and all of that. So yes guys, that's about it for this particular video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any doubts, questions, queries. I'll be more than happy to help. Do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all with another video. Take care guys. Bye-bye.